welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you guys my first ever mural. This mural was a challenge to me because it was like really big. It's on a little storage house we have in our yard, and I would say it's like 8 feet by 20 feet, around that scale. It's probably like, it's one of the biggest paintings I've ever done in my life, so it was, it was a challenge because I had to get out of my comfort zone to be able to do this painting. I made this painting really colorful because personally I love colors and I love, everything that's vibrant. So another thing that I put in this painting was I put a lot of sea animals because I really love the ocean and I really love how the animals look and how like they are. So I incorporated them into my painting. I made it seem really like surrealism-ish because I wanted it to be like a pop of like just randomness of like she's like blowing bubbles and they're just animals coming out in the bubbles, which was cool. The products I used to make the painting were outdoor paints because acrylic paint would just wash off with all the rain and everything that's been happening. So I went out and I bought outdoor wall paint, like paint you would use to paint a house. I spent like 3 or so weeks making this painting. Usually I would wake up super early and just do it in the morning so it won't be super hot later on because we all know that summer heat is not it. The reason why I wanted to make this mural was because I wanted to, in a way, get out of my comfort zone and create something I've never created, therefore making this thing right here. This video will consist of a time-lapse from when I was painting this mural, and hope you guys like it. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys want me to do anything or try any technique or do anything, you guys want to see a tutorial, another time lapse of me doing anything, just comment below. Let me know. Let me know what you guys want me to do. Just let me know. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe.